Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Jira software for beginners. Let's get started. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then kind of type Jira software. Now, as you can see here, there are tons of results about Jira software. So you just had to look for something like this. Okay, click this one. And as you can see, you can use Jira software for free. So of course, we don't want to purchase first because we want to know and we want to learn first about this Jira software. So no need to pay something. Okay, so here all you have to do is to click get it for free or get it free. And then it will take you directly to this page. Where you need to enter your email address to sign up, but you have other options below. So you can sign up via Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack. And if you have your account already, you just have to click login. Now choose the Google account to continue. Again, you just have to tap that, and then it will take you directly to this page. So here you just had to simply review everything here, your email address and full name, and then tap this blue button. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay, so we have here, let's name your site. So here you have to remember that there is an instruction here of what characters you should put. So you just have to tap this question mark icon. So if it's not available, it turns out to be this way. Okay, so that means you cannot continue. Maybe someone has already used this, site, this name. So as you can see, I've ended up choosing the site name. So once done, click get started in Jira. Okay, so wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now here, you can now proceed with creating a new project. But before that, before proceeding, they will ask you a little bit information about yourself. So you can choose a type of team that you want to work in. But if you don't feel like answering this one, skip this question if you. So next we have here what's your role. Then if you don't know also your role at this very moment, you can skip this. Now here, what are your main tasks? So if you know the answer, you can just select from any of the choices here. Okay, for example, this one, and then click next. Okay, so one moment at your side is starting up. So select a template for your first project. So we have options here like Canva, we have here Scrum, we have here business, but they say that Kanban is the most popular, as you can see here. Okay, so tons of people are using this template because it's flexible and easy to use. So I highly recommend also to use this Kanban template here, but actually everything is up to you. It depends on your project, it depends on your task or in project, company, or site. So as you can see here on the left side, so we have here timeline, we have your board. Okay, we have your add view, code, documents, add shortcut, and project set. So to start with a project, you can see here create issue. This means creating a project or creating something. So to start, you just had to simply enter your project here or your issue here. So let's just see how to use Tria software. Okay, once done, just click enter. Now, if you want to edit this test, you just have to tap this pencil icon or you just have to tap this one here. Okay. If you tap this, then you can add something like if you want to add or if you want to assign this task to someone. So this is what it looks like. Okay. You can attach a file here. You can add a child issue here, a link. If you want to paste a link from another site or from YouTube or from other website, you just have to paste it right here. Okay. And then if you want to comment something like this one is immediate. Okay, so you had to do this task immediately. So you can just add something here, you can note something here. Description, everything is up to you. Here, so you can add some words or information or instruction here. Now to do, you can select if it's in progress or done. So for actions, then we have choices here and options here if you want to, if it's necessary. Okay, so if you want to pin fields, you just have to set it one. If you want to assign this to someone, let's just say you have added your members already. So you just have to simply click the first name of their email address or something like that. Then the choices will show up and you just have to tap the specific person. Okay, so labels, you just have to add if you want, if you have created labels already. Okay, and then yes, once done, you can now click X. The information will be added automatically. Okay, so that's it. Now you can just simply add or edit it anytime if you want. So you just add the text one or set this pencil icon. Now, if the order is in progress, then you can move this to in progress and edit something or add something. So here you can edit the task. Okay, you can add some attachments here or links. You can edit the note, the instruction, the information. You can even add some comments below, tap X, and it will be saved automatically. Okay, so there. Now you can move to done if it's done. And as you can see, it has mark on the title. So it means that the task is already done. Okay, so you can add more tasks if you want to. Okay, you can explore to this side here for more settings. As you can see, there are tons of features above that start with this application. If you want to add an application to your project, to your Jira software, or to this project management here, you just have to simply click that apps. And as you can see, you just have to scroll down here to look for this over 1,000 apps. If you can't see that application here, you could just simply go to the search bar and then type the specific application that you're looking for and integrations for Jira. So let's just say we have your Google Drive. As you can see, we have your integration like Google Drive and Docs for Jira. We have here Team Browse and Google Drive. So you just have to select the one that you're looking for. And once done, you just have to tap this try it for free. Okay, so after you tap this one, so you need to tap this one again, start free trial. Okay, so here for prices or plans, then you can just simply tap this one here and look for the benefits and advantages if you upgrade to premium Jira or if you want to upgrade your Jira software to premium. Okay, so you just have to tap plans here. Teams, if you want to add people, invite people, you can invite them by Google, Slack, or Microsoft. Okay, so you can add them. You just have to enter their email address, then invite them. Okay, so once done, click add. Now we have here create a team. So if you want to create a new team, you just have to tap one. Dashboard, if you want to view all dashboards, just tap view all dashboards. And here you will see the ongoing task on your Jira account. Okay. Now, next we have your filters. So you can view all filters if you want to. Just have to tap this button or feature here. We have your projects. If you want to see other projects or ongoing projects under your Kanban template or other templates here, then you just have to tap this projects. Now we have here your work. If you want to see the topics and projects that ongoing on your Jira account or software, you just have to tap this your work here. So if you want to explore more, you can go to the side, to the left side, and you will see here manage apps, app requests, promotions, and other features here. Okay, so you just have to tap one by one to explore. So if you want to discover application integrations, you just have to click this find application. Again, if you want to try this integration, which is very popular nowadays, you just have to go to this board and then you can search everything. Also, other templates you can search under category. So you just have to tap and select the correct template for your project or for your test. Okay? So that's it. And this is just a very basic information and tutorial on how to use Jira software. So if you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.